So for today's video, we will try to solve the superposition. So this is the problem. So let's start. So first we use superposition. V is equal to V1 plus V2 plus V3. So Z sub R. So Z sub R is equal to 2 angle of 0. So let's compute. So the Z series is equal to 6 angle of 20 plus 2 angle of 10. Let's convert to rectangular. So 6 angle of 20 is approximately equal to 5.64 plus J 2.05. And the 2 angle of 10 is approximately equal to 1.97 plus J 0.35. So the Z series is approximately equal to 7.61 plus J 2.40. So let's move to equivalent impedance. So the equivalent impedance is equal to 1/2 plus 1 over 7.61 plus J 2.40 close parenthesis raised to negative 1. So let's compute the admittance. So 1 is over 7.61 plus J 2.40 approximately equal to 0.118 minus J 0.37. So the equivalent impedance of Y is approximately equal to 0.5 plus 0.118 minus J 0.37. 0.037 is equal to 0.618 minus J 0.037. So the equivalent impedance is approximately equal to 1.61 plus J 0.096. So let's move. So V1 is equal to I times equivalent impedance is equal to 6 angle of 0 1.61 plus J 0.096 open and close parenthesis. V1 is approximately equal to 9.66 plus J 0.58 approximately equal to 9.68 angle of 3.4. So the voltage 2 is approximately equal to 1.72 angle of negative 8. So the V3 is approximately equal to 4.85 angle of 6. So V1 is approximately equal to 9.66 plus J 0.58. The V2 is approximately equal to 1.70 minus J 0.24. So V3 is approximately equal to 4.82 plus J 0.51. So V is equal to 9.66 plus 1.70 plus 4.82 open and close parenthesis plus J 0.58 minus 0.24 plus 0.51 open and close parenthesis. So the V approximately equal to 16.18 plus J 0.85. So the absolute value of V is 16.2 angle of approximately equal to 3.0. So the answer is V is approximately equal to 16.2 angle of 3. So that's the answer, guys. Thanks for watching and thank you.